Okay, hello Gemini. Let's do your reading for the rest of this month. So let's start with the Kipper portion. For Gemini, what they can expect for the rest of this month. For Gemini, what they can expect for the rest of this month. Okay, let's see. Oops. Yeah, becoming single. Literally the privileged person. This is my become single card in Kipper. So literally is that fall off. So it's either will be like, the image that come into my mind is like you're going to decide like at this moment you don't have time for love, not sure why. You're gonna kind of like think that love is not in the picture for the time being. Okay. Let's see what's other clarification that are going to come up for you. Is there a single stories? All separate stories. You got all separate message. Okay, that's quite interesting. This never happened. Usually I got like a bit stories, but yours is like each card represent each state this time. So you guys, that first message is you're gonna decide to stay single. So if for the one that loosely connected, you will feel the energy of don't want to deal with people's, like if you used to chat with people, message people, you will feel like you want to kind of like leave it alone for the time being, kind of that going to happen. Obviously this for only the one that loosely connected or not in very good connection. The one in very loving connection, I don't think that this will apply. Alright, next message. That coming to my mind, you're gonna reconnect with someone. It can be a lover, it can be a friendship, it can be a family, so take it very general. You know this person a bit fake, the type that that come into my mind, they just want attention kind of feeling. So you're gonna reconnect with them, and this time they're going to, I feel like they're going to drop their fake way. Like they try not to draw attention, they try not to lie towards you, they don't really try to get attention from you, so they kind of try to appear as a mature. I'm not sure why I say appear, so maybe it's still a bit fakey, but at least they're trying, right? So I don't see anything wrong with that, anything bad from that person. So yeah, you're gonna feel that. Obviously this is also for the one that has a past friend or past connection somewhat, or family members. Okay, next one, for the one that planning for a travel for this month, I think you're gonna delay it for either next month or the next 2 months. So that's very small message. You also got unexpected income waivers. So if you're expecting money to come towards you by end of this month, it's gonna be delayed. So if you're expecting an X amount of money to come, it's gonna be delayed. And for some of you, if you're expecting the X amount, actually it's not X amount, it's lower than X amount. Also, there is unnecessary spending, unexpected spending that's going to come up or already come up. So yeah, the bills is coming up and you kind of like, oh shit, I don't expect it to be that expensive. So something like that. Okay. Yeah, you're gonna stay single. Talking about the next 3 cards, actually talking about you don't want to be bothered with a connection or happy kind connection, love, marriage. For the one that in somewhat got connection, you don't want to be bothered to move that connection into next level. So again, stay like you want to be alone like the rest of the month, kind of just want to be with yourself. Also for the one that dealing with family situation, like quarrel, people in your family kind of being an asshole kind of feeling, you kind of like want to ignore that, like I don't have time to think about it. That's kind of the feeling. Okay, what's this about? For the one that actually thinking of moving or selling your place, right? You're gonna receive some concern around that. I'm not sure this concern maybe come from your agent, but do heed that concern, because by you following that concern you can actually make more money or you can save more money. So do I feel like this agent is genuine, so just go follow their concern. Okay. What is this talking about? Okay, there is a family members that you have not been talking to them for quite some time. There is no message from them for quite some time. They may come forward towards you and they want to apologize for their behavior in the past. I think it's about family members. Okay. Anything else before we move on to your table? I feel like you got good things coming up. Obviously, for the one that looking for love, you probably don't like the message that you want to be singles. But the rest of the thing, I feel like it's quite okay for the rest of the month. Okay. This come up again for you. For if you've been like wishy-washy about a move, I'm talking about a major move, you're gonna be wishy-washy. If you have been wishy-washy about it, like you just toy with the idea of moving, this kind of like a big move. Again, I'm predicting that for next year, right? That wishy-washiness going to end, and you're gonna like have almost like 100% firm decision that you're going to move. That's the thought of it, not the actual move. I'm predicting you guys a big move is next year, around next year. This keep coming back, so I feel like a lot of you guys will going to experience this. Obviously not all of you, but a lot of you guys. Next year, maybe something major going to happen into your life. Let's go to your table. Table, what's Gemini can expect? Almost say expect for the rest of this month. What Gemini can expect for the rest of this month? What's coming up for them? Anything they need to know? Anything they need to kind of like either know, avoid, or try to take a good step again? That for the sign of Two-Face. Sign of Two-Face. Okay. Okay, let me pull up one more, then we clarify. Okay. First message. There will be what is this? What's this talking about? There will be this situation that you already end things with them, you already let them go. Either I'm seeing either you reconnect back to them or they reconnect back to you. There will be a lot of communication between you two, but that's the extent of it. So take it very general. Can be friends, can be lovers, can be family members, because it doesn't give me, at this moment, it doesn't give me that it's a romantic situation. But take it very general. Can be a friend, can be a family member. Something you kind of worry about investing. Why is this talking? It doesn't give me the theme for it. I want to give it. This doesn't give me this. What specific situation? It's more like super general. I feel like it's trying to get to a lot of Gemini. There is this situation that you're not very positive about it. Like you kind of thinking whether should you continue with this situation or not. And I'm seeing that you're in between of cutting something or cutting a person from your life and close off from that situation. Because you feel like it's impacting your emotional stability. You come up with a lot of emotional card, but I don't sense it's a lover's kind of feeling. It can be a work situation. I tried to clarify, but it doesn't give me much more details on what it is about. So take it very generally. There's a situation that you're thinking, that you already look at it at a very pessimistic way, and you're thinking whether should you cut that situation out from your life, and whether you should be closing off from that situation. It can be a work, it can be a emotional stuff. What's the next one? There is this, I feel like it's a continuation from that situation. Again, it's talking about you seeing things on negative way, and you kinda either you not want to be cooperative with them, or they're not being cooperative with you, but you have a lot of good memories in that situation. And if you're expecting that situation to like restart like into something solid, it's not there yet. I'm not sure why this time it's giving me very general. I cannot pinpoint whether it's a romantic, is it work. So just expect, if you're expecting something to restart or going to start into something more concrete, more stable, it's not there yet. It's gonna be stalled. It's not going to happen on May. Okay, the last card is about the Lovers reverse. So basically, definitely a romantic situation. You have a strong connection with someone you already feel disconnected with. So I feel like, before I say further, okay, I know. Okay, so I have two interpretations of this story. So you have this connection with someone that you're already being disconnected, like you basically you don't have an emotion towards them, but there's still a strong connection. So it's like a friendship, familial kind of thing. Yes, you can manifest them into your life, but I'm seeing that at this moment you are not interested on something romantic also with them, because you're juggling between your work and social life. This is what tells me. I feel like a lot of you guys have work sucking your time a lot, so you kind of, I even see a lot of you guys kind of exhausted with the works. So I think like you're gonna keep that situation just as it is, friendship, or a kind of like friendship, familial kind of bond with this person. It's a strong connection, but it's not romantic, what it tells me at this moment. Or you don't have a romantic feeling with them at this moment. Yeah, that's what's giving it. So yeah, yours is super general this time. Let's go to your good stuff. Anything good stuff that you guys manifesting? Alright, good stuff that Gemini is manifesting till end of the month. Let's try to get two good stuff. We're reading upright and one major. We're reading only upright also. If anything going to happen into their life, anything major, if there is. If there is none, then okay. Let's see. What's your first good stuff message, Gemini? Confidence is there. Whatever you do, you can get it. Basically, it's that. Ooh, I like that. Magician's strength. So basically, you have whatever it takes to manifest. So if you feel like you cannot manifest whatever it is, take it as very general. Work, a relationship, even family situation. I feel like it's just inside your head. You have it. You can manifest that situation into your life. And you have the strength for it also. You come up with the strength. So basically you have the persistence to follow up with it. And if you don't have it, there is something that you need to have actually. What's the next good stuff coming towards you? Sudden connection. What the hell? You literally got Tower, which means a sudden. Two of Cups, which means a soulmate kind of connection. And the World, which means a successful connection in this sense. So obviously not all for all of you. Take it how it going to happen, like how it going to resonate. So you will have some sort of sudden connection Let me clarify. Who is this Two of Cups? Page of Cups. Somebody that is young. Page of Cups, Ace of Cups. Seriously? So yeah, I feel like it's a newish energy. You're gonna meet someone young. Page of Cups. And we clarify with the Ace of Cups. So yeah, some of you guys will meet this. Obviously, all you guys is not in the same timeline, right? So some of you guys will meet a new person for the rest of this month. That can be a long-term connection. Ace of Cups, Two of Cups, the world. So yeah, anything major coming towards their life? Something you don't see. You don't see. That doesn't give me a full picture. Okay, a bit specific message. I don't think it's going to apply for all of you. It's like under major things that are going to happen into your life. So for you guys that has been ghosted with someone, so this is only applicable if you've been ghosted with from someone, right? You will be able to fully like let go that situation. That's come up as your major thing. And what actually hidden from you, or something you won't you won't notice, or you won't like, you go with kind of autopilot after that, is you kind of going to wait. You're going to wait for the right one. So if in the past you just anyhow go with the connection, after that situation someone ghosted you and you fully able to let them go, the next connection is you're gonna wait, you're gonna observe them, whether they can fit into your life first before you even like kind of like have put some sort of emotional investment toward that person. So it's a change of mindset for you. Only applicable if you have been ghosted from someone. If you haven't, I don't think that's going to happen. That change of mindset for you. Okay, let's go to the person in your mind. Gemini, that dealing with someone loosely connected. How it goes between them now until end of the May. Now until end of the May. How it will goes between them. First card will be Gemini. Next card will be their person. The Star card. The Star card almost fall down. Let's see. Okay, what's your Gemini energy? Oh, again the Star. So you're kinda hopeful that this thing going to work out between you two. So you're kinda like hoping that it will work, and you stay hopeful. Oh man, what is their person energy now? This can mean backing away, giving up. Okay, why you are still hopeful? Let's see. You want to apologize to them? You cannot. Okay, you're still hopeful because you feel like there is something unfinished business between you two, and you feel like whatever you do, you can't walk away from them. So you're kind of hopeful that this will restart into something better. Why your person is 7 of Swords reverse? They're starting to get over you. Why the Ace of Wands reverse? So this is talking about someone that in the past tried to start something with you, but it failed because you're kind of being uncooperative from their perspective. So this person kind of back away now, and they already start to get over you. 8 of Swords reverse. This is what tells me. Okay, how you see them? This also can mean a giving up kind of situation. How they see you. Let's get the team first before we clarify. They see you as basically they have a good fond memories, good past memories with you. So this person does not feel bitter or anything. They feel still okay with you because they got a lot of good memories with you. Okay, Okay, why the 7 of Wands reverse? Okay, you see them as someone that is backing away, already think this as missed opportunity, and they just want to be single. 9 of Pentacles. That's how you see them. How they see you, clarifying that is, they got a lot of 6. There is, okay, under the impression is like, it become one-sided at this time, and you're not open to have a second chance. That's how they perceive. So I'm not sure, is it your action or is it just in the theater of their mind they see you like that? But looks like you kind of want, because you still feel hopeful around the situation. Okay, what's the obstacle in the past? I mean, we kind of figure it out. What was the main obstacle in the past between these two to fully mature? Drama. There's a lot of drama between you two. I got 2. A lot of drama, things moving so slow, and one person or either both of you actually focus on your career and work. So that actually become the main obstacle. Things move super slow, and I'm not sure who's bringing this drama. I kind of feel like both of you try to do this. Don't know why I feel like it's both of you. Drama between 2 of you, and both of you actually move very slow to each other, and somewhat too focused on your business, on your career, on your money. So that's the main obstacle. Damn. 5 of Wands, 9 of Pentacles, King of Pentacles. So let's just straight away ask the outcome. What's going to happen between these two going to June? Walking away. Walking away and ghosting. That's going to happen. So you need to be careful. If you feel hopeful, what may happen by June is 8 of Cups, 5 of Pentacles. So you need to be careful with your emotion. Eight of Cups, 5 of Pentacles. Can I ask why? Will that give me a clarification? 10 of Wands reverse. The connection is somewhat there. The connection is somewhat there, still there. So, yeah, the connection is not close, properly close, or not close. It's going to be there, but someone going to walk away emotionally, and for some of you guys, maybe even get ghosted. And just not to give you too much hope, I asked whether it's going to be start in the future. It's come up with the Lovers reverse and the Tower reverse. So I feel like in the future, both of you will try to avoid each other. So yeah. What's your advice then? Let me just ask. Release your obsession with this situation, Devil reverse. So if you have some sort of obsession, release it. And if you're the one that actually bring drama, that means you need to release your toxicity, that toxicity traits from you. So in the next connection, you can actually do it better. Let's go to single. Singles, what's your energy for manifesting love for the rest of this month? What's your energy to manifest love for the rest of this month? Singles, single Gemini. How you act in love? If anyone like come interested with you, what's your energy? Wow, the cup is not cooperating for singles, so kind of like resistance. You resist love, or you try not to think about love. The singles, what's your energy? I got 2 immediately. You're thinking whether love is a good investment. And the Tower, what's the Tower? Why the Tower is here? There is a sudden someone will coming towards you. King of Wands, someone very attractive. Upright, so it's a good card. Yeah, will be someone coming towards you. Sudden, I'm not sure how you're going to meet this person. King of Wands, very attractive, but a bit bitchy also. King of Swords reverse, can be a bit narcissist also. So Either it's a warning or I leave it to you guys how you're going to approach it. Obviously, again, not all of you are gonna meet this person, right? Different timeline, remember? So there's a chance for you to meet this person, King of Wands upright, but with the King of Swords upright. So it can be a bit narcissist, want attention, want you to please them, try to get attention from you. But they want to have some sort of commitment. Nine of Cups reverse. So take it how you're going to deal it. The only negative trait from this person is too bad. A bit, yeah, if that King of Swords upright, then it would be good. But it comes out as a reverse, so bitchy, kind of arrogant, player, kind of a bit player, narcissist. King of Swords reverse is usually kind of narcissist. Okay. Any other thing they need to know? You still have a past connection that you haven't closed off also. But I'm seeing you giving up and you kind of going to take it for what it is. Like you're going to accept that it is what it is. So you kind of like turn, if you have a negative experience with them, you kind of like take it like, okay, it needs to be happen. I learned from it, so it's time for me to move on. That's all. What's your advice then before we close off? Your advice actually to take things slow, don't move things fast, singles. And if you're feeling exhausted, take a break, because that can impact your energy toward to people that actually come towards you. So you may become a bit bitchy or irritated. But yeah, generally is take it slow. If you feel like you need to take a break, take a rest, go ahead. And don't jump too fast emotionally. Don't invest your emotion too fast. That's a kind of like, I feel like a lot of you guys do that. So take it easy when you meet new person. So do I mean one cup for singles, what they need to know for the rest of this May? What's this? True love. This is the romance of a lifetime. Oh man. If this is your person, then you will be dealing with a bit of narcissist, so I'm not sure. So yeah, just take it how it resonates. I mean, it's kind of like, oh, if that's one of your true love, one of your soulmate, then it's kind of feel sorry for you guys that are dealing with a narcissist. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys singles. Hope this helps you guys to navigate the rest of this month. If it does, if it gives some clarity, please do share, like, and subscribe. And I thank you all for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.